How do I choose the best migration software? If you want to transfer or copy your data from one data storage to another, you need to do data migration. Data migration is a good way to streamline your data and conserve data storage in order to keep storage costs down. You can use PC migration software to make the task easier for you and safer for your data. There are several of these software available out there, and you need to determine the features that you need before choosing the best one. Once you know what you need from a data migration software, you have to look for several candidates that meet your requirements for speed, ease of use, data handling capabilities, reliability, and security. You must compare their features and limitations before making the final choice. Different kinds of migration software usually offer different ways for your migration task. There are basic migrations, and then there are sophisticated and extremely complicated migrations. You need to consider the type of data in your operating system as well before picking a migration software. If you want to do a network migration, you should pick one that can handle direct computer-to-computer transfer of data using an Ethernet cable. For a wireless migration, consider software that can handle wireless connections because you need to monitor and use the strongest signal that you can find for a stable and secure migration. Checking the strengths and weaknesses of your software will ensure you have the best migration experience possible. A basic migration software performs four usual tasks. First is the analysis of data, in which the software looks at the data to be migrated. Next is the extraction and transformation of the data to be migrated, in which the software prepares the data for the transfer. Validation and repair comes next, and this is the most important task because this is where the migration software determines if the data that was transferred migrated successfully without getting damaged or lost. The final task for the software is preparing the data for use in the new data storage. Automating the whole migration process is the most efficient way to secure and handle data, especially if it's important to a business enterprise. This is why choosing the best migration software that fits your needs, expertise, and environment is of paramount importance. The security and usability of data depends on the right migration software and procedure. It is recommended that you use trial versions of several software and test migrations before doing the actual migration to ensure data will not be compromised.